Hello everyone. I welcome you all to Unacademy, the best learning platform to stay at home and stay safe, right? So, I hope you're doing well in your Christmas break. This is a recorded session for you due to the Christmas break, but I am available in live chat to chat with you, right? So, we'll be having some discussions also in the live chat, and this will be a small video of about say 30-35 minutes. Don't worry, all right? So, today's topic is going to be can you guess what is there from these images? Any guesses? And as it is thumbnail में तो आपने देख ही लिया क्या है टॉपिक आज का है ना सो द टॉपिक इज द मिस्टीरियस प्लेसेस ऑन अर्थ सो हम लोग ये दो पार्ट्स में देखेंगे मिस्टीरियस प्लेसेस ऑन अर्थ सो आज हम लोग फर्स्ट पार्ट में देखेंगे कुछ प्लेसेस विच आर मिस्टीरियस ऑन अर्थ ड्यू टू वेरियस रीजंस एंड देन हम लोग नेक्स्ट सेशन में हम लोग पार्ट 2 में देखेंगे राइट एंड येस डोंट फॉरगेट टू सी टुमारोज एपिसोड ऑन अनसंग वॉरियर्स उसके बारे में भी छोटा वीडियो भी दिखा दूंगी और बता दूंगी आपको कल कौन से वॉरियर के बारे में बात करने वाले है ना सो एज पर द रिचुअल लेट्स स्टार्ट द इंट्रोडक्शन राइट I welcome you all to Let's Crack CBSE 6th Standard channel on Unacademy and my small video introduction to you all. Right? ये वीडियो इंट्रोडक्शन आपके लिए Oops, so sorry. So this was a small introduction about me, right? So now let's speak about the subscriptions. Please do subscribe for the course on Unacademy Learning app. If you have not yet downloaded the Learning app, don't forget to download the app. There are two type of subscriptions. First is Plus and another is Iconic. मैं इन नटशेल बता देती हूँ Plus and Iconic का difference. Plus में आपको मिलते हैं daily live classes, structured courses, लाइव टेस्ट एंड अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस ये सब कुछ आपको अवेलेबल है एट जस्ट 765 रुपीज पर मंथ चलो ये प्लस का तो हो गया तो आइकॉनिक में क्या अलग रहेगा आइकॉनिक में आपको मिलता है पर्सनल मेंटर पेरेंट कनेक्ट एंड लाइव डाउट सॉल्यूशन इसके अलावा प्लस के तो बेनिफिट्स वैसे ही है राइट सो प्लस के अलावा यू गेट अ पर्सनल मेंटर wherein you can get one-to-one guidance on the top from top experts, right? Then you have parent connect and live doubt solution, right? And this starts at just 1588 rupees per month. ये बता तो दे आपको मैंने ये भी बोल दिया कि अनअकैडमी का ऐप डाउनलोड कर दो मिलेगा कहाँ पे आपको ऐप दिस ऐप इज अवेलेबल ऑन Play Store, Google Store, whatever its different stores are there. On that, this app is available. So do download the app and don't forget to subscribe. And yes, while subscribing, you can get more discount on this fees if you use this code ANOO. This will give you 10% more discount. The code is ANOO, ANU. Don't forget to use this code so that you get 10% extra discount. And yes, these are the top educators will be taking your sessions. And this is a comprehensive syllabus science, mathematics, English, social science and Hindi. ये 5 subjects है आपके लिए. Don't forget to subscribe and use the code ANOO. And this code can be used to even unlock the free content. This is the Telegram channel. The link is now updated. Use this link so that you can get connected with us on the Telegram channel to get the updates. This is the rate chart which is at 1 month at 3,000 rupees, 6 months at 10,000 rupees, 15 months at 18,000 rupees and 18 months at 20,000 rupees. And yes, इसके ऊपर 10% डिस्काउंट कैसे मिलेगा आपको? If you'll use my code ANOO to get 10% discount. For Iconic, it starts at 17,000 for 6 months, 32,000 for 15 months, 35,000 for 18 months and 28,000 for 48 months. लेकिन ये आपका रिड्यूस हो सकता है इफ़ यू यूज़ द कोड ANOO, so 10% रिडक्शन जाता है. Don't forget to use the code ANOO, right? Yes. We are going to, as you all know, that we have started with the series Unsung Warriors of Bharatvarsh. This is just a small trailer for you, those who are new to this channel and even to my sessions. Hi buddies, I hope you remember me, your Anu teacher for social studies. As promised, I'm here with the series Unsung Warriors of Bharatvarsh, right? Over here we are going to discuss about those warriors about which we don't know much. टेक्स्ट बुक में तो बहुत सारे वॉरियर्स के बारे में बात की है, लेकिन उनके बारे में सब इन्फॉर्मेशन थोड़ी दी है. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमने टेक्स्ट बुक में चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य के बारे में पढ़ा, लेकिन उनके बारे में सब इन्फॉर्मेशन तो नहीं है ना? तो ऐसे ही बहुत सारे वॉरियर्स हैं हमारे कंट्री के बारे में हम इस बात करेंगे, राइट? And yes, why did I use this word Bharatvarsh instead of India? Because we are going to speak that era जब इंडिया को इंडिया नहीं बोला जाता था, भारतवर्ष बोला, राइट? उस टाइम से हमने ये स्टार्ट किया है. एंड यस, अगर आपके दिमाग में भी किसी वॉरियर के बारे में जानने की इच्छा होगी कि आपने नाम सुना है तो उसके बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है, and you want me to do research and do an episode to share the name of those warriors, I'll definitely have series and episodes on that also. And yes, this series is going to be recorded one because this story interruption nahi chahti. And I will be definitely available live in the chat section for you. And इसके ऊपर आप क्विज तो मिस कर दोगे तो फिर क्विज कब करेंगे? Every Sunday we'll have this recorded session at 4 o'clock and on every Tuesday we'll be having Mendy quiz on the same topic, right? So stay tuned in for this series. See you then. Bye-bye. Have a nice time. So this was about the series which is there on every Sunday. If you have missed out the previous episodes, do watch those episodes, right? So we are going to speak about the mysterious earth के बारे में बात करेंगे. So in this session will be about, say, I think so 12 or 13 places जो बहुत mysterious है. उसके बहुत fabulous photographs मिले हैं कुछ मुझे. मैं photographs दिखाने वाली हूँ and then we'll speak about that place. Let me see if you can guess that place with a photograph. Right? Let's start. So, who doesn't love a good mystery? The planet is dotted with places that are dreamlike, weird, and sometimes downright strange, right? So there have been so many mysterious places we are not understanding why those things are like that, right? While many of these mysterious goings on have logical explanations, others remain stubbornly unresolved. For example, Bermuda Triangle, right? So let's go on a virtual tour from your sofa as we take a look at science, stories, theories, and tales surrounding some of the world's strangest sights, right? Any guesses which would be the first sight? Yes? Which place is this? Can you guess? Isn't it wonderful? So tempting, or you can say कितना कितना मतलब attractive है, जाने का मन कर रहा है. ये जगह हमें खींच रही है ना इसकी तरफ. कौन सी जगह है ये? नहीं गेसेस, ये कौन सी जगह है? कुछ गेस कर सकते हो आप ये कौन सी जगह है? It is Bermuda Triangle, covering around 5 lakh miles, that is more than 12 lakh 90,000 square kilometers between Bermuda, Miami in Florida and San Juan in Puerto Rico. Has been more than 20 planes and 50 ships crashed with no obvious explanation. Even some vanish completely. उसके बारे में कुछ भी पता नहीं है, right? Range from suggestions of supernatural activity to some to more logical hypothesis that it's down to magnetic compass variation or rogue waves, right? Nobody has been able to come back from Bermuda Triangle. So हमें सच में पता नहीं है क्या मिस्ट्री है बर्मुडा ट्रायंगल की. इतना पता है कि उस एंड इनफैक्ट देयर इज नो ओनली दैट एरिया, बाकी भी जगह है जहाँ पे ऐसे मिस्टीरियस प्लेसेस है, राइट, जहाँ पे चीज़ें गायब हुई है. सो नाउ द एक्सटेंट ऑफ बर्मुडा ट्रायंगल इज मोर, बट ये पिक के हिसाब से जो है उसकी बात कर रही हूँ, तो ये वो है एरिया जो यहाँ पे स्पेसिफाई किया है, दैट इज बिटवीन मियामी इन फ्लोरिडा एंड सैन जुआन इन पेर्टो रिको, राइट. सो देखिए कितना फैसिनेटिंग प्लेस है ये, इजंट इट. चलो अभी सेकंड वाला देखते हैं. देखो कैसे लग रहा है ना. व्हाट इज दिस? कैन यू गेस व्हाट इज दिस? हाउ वंडरफुल इट इज. तो इसके बारे में भी जानते हैं ये क्या है एग्जैक्टली. It is Ricat structure, Mauritania. Astronauts have been watching a Ricat structure, also known as an Eye of Sahara. Sahara बोले तो कहाँ आ गया? Out there since humans first entered space. Viewed from the International Space Station, the 30-mile, that is 48.2 kilometer wide. Just imagine 48.2 kilometers wide, मतलब कितना बड़ा होगा, right? White swirl resembles a bull's eye or a snail's shell. Geographical prick was believed to be a crater caused by a meteorite, but it's now thought it was a dome. Once a dome that has eroded over time. याद है कुछ आपको? हमने पढ़ा था डोम क्या है, right? A round shape mountain which is formed, dome. तो बोलते हैं ये डोम होगा जो इरोड हो चुका है, या फिर मेटेराइट के वजह से ये कार्टर कॉज बाय मेटेराइट. मेटेराइट क्या होता है? व्हाट इज अ मेटेराइट? प्लीज राइट डाउन इन द मैसेज सेक्शन फास्ट. वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट मेटेराइट. हमने मेटेराइट क्या होता है ये क्विज में भी किया था. मैंने क्विज में क्वेश्चन पूछा था आपको, हमने जब स्पेस पे क्विज किया था ऑन अनअकैडमी ऐप. चलो 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 जल्दी बताओ मुझे क्या है. आई एम देयर इन लाइव चैट टू आंसर इफ यू आर करेक्ट और रॉन्ग. चलो आगे चलते हैं. This is the third place. How beautiful it is. Aren't these places beautiful? Yes, aren't they beautiful? The color of the sky. याद है हमने उस दिन स्पेशल क्लास पे एक जुपिटर एंड सैटर्न का कॉन्स्टेलेशन का एक फोटो शेयर किया था मैंने. वैसे ही कुछ कलर कॉम्बिनेशन है ना, ऐसा ही कुछ कलर कॉम्बिनेशन था ड्यू टू दैट कॉन्स्टेलेशन, है ना. Now what is this? This is Stonehenge in England. The circle of rocks has been one of the UK's most well-known and mysterious sites, with historians and scientists baffled as to how its builders transported the mytholics 5,000 years ago. Just imagine 5,000 years ago वहाँ पे ये कैसे पहुँचाए होंगे इतने बड़े stones. मोनोलिथ्स कैसे ट्रांसफर किए होंगे, राइट. 2019 Newcastle students may have resolved the riddle when they discovered that humans, not aliens, may have dragged the rocks to place using sledges lubricated with pig fat. पहले ऐसे सोचा जाता था कि एलियन से रखा होगा, but they have done this solved this riddle to some extent. Students of Newcastle University, that this have been dragged using sledges. Okay, just see once again how wonderful this is. हमने मेगालिथिक्स के बारे में पढ़ा है, right? See this wonderful waterfall. See, can you see that orange light in between? Can you see this orange light in between? I will not mark with the pen because फिर वो image खराब हो जाएगी इतनी प्यारी सी. Isn't it a wonderful waterfall? Now what is this? Where is this? Eternal Flame Falls, New York, USA. It's nothing to do with the Bangles hit song, but it is an almost eternal flame, right? Just see how the eternal flame is. That flame is continuously there even though the water is coming in. इससे कुछ बाहुबली मूवी का कुछ सीन याद आ गया आपको, है ना. बाहुबली में ऐसा ही कुछ दिखाया है ना. एंड वो वहां पे ऊपर कूद जाता है, चला जाता है कुछ देखने के लिए, अंदर गुहा रहती है, कुछ ऐसा ही है ना बाहुबली में दिखा हुआ। मे बी दे टुक द आइडिया ऑफ बाहुबली फ्रॉम दिस, है ना? हो सकता है, क्या पता। ओके, the bewitching orange red glow that flickers behind this tree staggered waterfall in New York's Chestnut Ridge Park is kept aflame by natural methane gas that seeps the cracks in the rock. Just see now why it is. उस क्रैक्स में से मिथेन गैस जो रिलीज हो रही है, इसके वजह से ये फ्लेम बुझ नहीं रही है, राइट? वी हैव अ साइंटिफिक रीजन फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर इंसिडेंस. What is that scientific reason? The methane gas. It's occasionally extinguished by splashes, but visitors can bring it back to life with a lighter, right? So कभी कभी वो बुझ जाता है, लेकिन विजिटर्स को इतना अच्छा लगता है कि वो वापस जला देते हैं और फिर वो जलता रहता है, जलता रहता है ना? कि वहाँ पे पानी जो आ रहा है उसकी वजह से कभी कभार अगर मिथेन की कंटेंट कम हो जाती है तो बुझ जाएगा, राइट? सच वंडरफुल 4 places वी हैव सीन. चलो आगे भी देखते हैं. This is a place called as Magnetic Hill. The name is already there on the picture. What is so strange about this Magnetic Hill? Why it is named as Magnetic Hill? This is located in New Brunswick, Canada. Cars roll backwards and apparently upwards, driving to the bottom of this so-called magnetic hill in Moncoton, New Brunswick. But it isn't actually defining the laws of gravity. It's one of the several hills around the globe where what looks like an uphill incline is in fact part of the longer downhill incline. It's an optical illusion because there's no view of horizon for perspective, right? इसलिए वो hill लग रहा है. It is not actually a hill, but वो ऐसे लग रहा है वो hill, and it is having lot of magnetivity over there. See this orange dome? Isn't it wonderful? Beautiful orange dome. कहाँ पे होगा ये? Any guesses? Where is this? चलो, answer your guesses. This is Uluru, Australia. Uluru or Ayers Rock in Uluru Kata Tijuta National Park in Australia's Northern Territory has beguiled people for centuries and is so sacred spot for Anangu people, with theories that it was formed by ancestral beings who shaped the world. उनको लगता है कि जिन जिन ancestors ने ये world shape किया था, उन्होंने ये बनाया था, ऐसे उनको लगता है. Science suggests that sandstone monolith began forming around 550 million years ago, and centuries of erosion and folding created its distinctive oval feature. Right? ये distinctive oval feature due to the erosion हो चुका है. एंड ऐसे भी बोला जाता है कि ऊपर का ड्यू टू ऑक्सीडेशन की वजह से रेड है, बाय द इट इज इन डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट विद एयर. नीचे की beneath the rock it is grey in color. This is the next place. What is that? Can you guess what is that? Is that blood of any animal or something else? वो नीचे क्या दिख रहा है? काला काला कोई एनिमल है मरा हुआ, उसका है, क्या है? What is that? Any guesses for you? What is that? कुछ गेसेस है क्या आपको? No, it's not blood. It's the blood falls in Antarctica, the world's coldest and perhaps the most enigmatic continent in is home to the blood red waterfalls that seeps into the ice. Geologists originally thought red color was due to the algae, but the truth is actually much more interesting. क्या है much more interesting? Let's see. Started around 2 million years ago. A saltwater pool was trapped inside the Taylor glacier. इस ग्लेशियर के अंदर एक सॉल्ट वाटर, एक ग्लेशियर बढ़ते गया आइस एज के ड्यूरेशन में, ये ग्लेशियर बढ़ते गया एंड अ सॉल्ट वाटर ग्लेशियर वाज ट्रैप्ड इनसाइड दैट. उससे क्या हो गया? The sealed airless lake high iron content and salinity cause the rust red color and eventually oozed out of the fissure in the eyes. Right? देखो कैसे हो गया, मतलब अंदर का जो उनका आइस एयरलेस है, उस लेक को ट्रैप हो गया, उधर बिल्कुल भी एयर नहीं है. राइट? उसमें जो हाई आयन कंटेंट एंड सैलिनिटी ऑफ दैट लेक, सैलिनिटी इज द सॉल्ट इन द लेक, इसकी वजह से रस्ट रेड कलर आ गया. इवेंचुअली इट इज नॉट एबल टू रिटेन इनसाइड, इट हैज स्टार्टेड कमिंग आउट. इजंट इट सो स्कैरी ना? देख के क्या लगता है ना पहली बार में, ये खून कहाँ से आ गया, है ना? इट्स नॉट ब्लड, इट इज iron, high iron content. Now, what is this? Can you see this? Can you see something huge over here called as Marfa? And you can see these lights, right? Can you see such how big it is? You can see this car over here, how small this car is, right? This is not the animated one. This is the original one. Don't think that this is the animated picture. This is the original place. Where is this? Marfa Light, Texas, USA. Marfa lights is mysterious glowing orbs that appear in the desert outside the West Texas town of Marfa have mystified people for generations. उनको ही पता नहीं है ये क्यों होता है. According to eyewitnesses, the Marfa lights appear to be roughly the size of basketball and are varyingly described as white, blue, yellow, red or other colors. Just imagine इतने बड़े बड़े lights दिखते हैं, क्यों दिखते हैं पता नहीं. There seems to be no way to predict when the lights will appear, and they're seen in various weather conditions, but only in a dozen or so nights a year. Right? मतलब क्या कि about 12-15 nights a year वो दिखता है, but कब दिखेगा बोल नहीं सकते. Right? If you're lucky enough, you go there. If you're lucky enough, you will see that. Nobody knows for sure what they are or if they really even exist at all, right? Because जिन्होंने देखा है वो तो बोलते हैं, लेकिन फिर ऐसा भी लगता है कि अरे झूठ बोल रहे हैं क्या, right? Because there is no reason, scientific reason for that, and there is no time frame. बोलते हैं ना कि जैसे बारिश इस सीजन में आनी है, ठंड इस सीजन में आनी है, तो ये लाइट्स कब फ्लैश होती है कुछ बोल सकते हैं, right? So isn't this mysterious? See how mysterious it is, how mysteriously this place looks in the night. बट ऑब्वियस डे में तो दिखेगा नहीं, क्योंकि डे लाइट की वजह से लाइट फ्लैश भी होती होगी तो भी दिखती नहीं होगी. नेक्स्ट प्लीज, व्हाट इज दिस? कैन यू सी हाउ दिस वंडरफुल ब्रिज इज? जस्ट इमेजिन उन आर्किटेक्ट्स ने इस तरीके से ये ब्रिज कंस्ट्रक्ट किया है कि पूरा सर्कल बन जाता है पानी में, राइट? यू कैन सी द शैडो ऑफ इट, इट मेक्स अ कंप्लीट सर्कल. व्हाट डू यू थिंक दिस, क्या नाम रखा होगा इस सर्कल का? Any guesses what this must be named as? Any guesses what it must be named as? तो बता ही देती हूँ. It's called as Devil's Bridge in Germany. Pratusbrook is so pretty, it's so called, perhaps more aptly be called fairy tale bridge, right? इतना cute है कि उसको fairy tale bridge बोलना चाहिए, but उसका नाम unfortunately Devil's Bridge रखा है. Comes from its supernatural association. The looping structure in German town of Kromalo forms a perfect circle with its watery reflection. A clever trick of engineering that some see so outwardly, right? ये भी पता नहीं कि नेचुरल है या किसी ने कंस्ट्रक्ट करते समय, सोचो कितना सोच के ये कंस्ट्रक्ट किया है ना, एक उसका जब भी आएगा रिफ्लेक्शन तो पूरा सर्कल बन जाए. But unfortunately, instead of fairy tales bridge, it is called as, even though it is so cute, it is called as Devil's Bridge. हो गया नाइन्थ. देखते हैं नेक्स्ट कौन से है. Hey, now let's see this next mysterious place. Can you see this? How this rounds? You can see the circles drawn in, right? Isn't it mysterious? Let's understand what is this. Naka lines are a collection. This is Naka lines, which is there in Peru. These are a collection of giant gigolithics designs or motifs etched in the ground, located in Indian coastal plain, that is 400 kilometers from Lima and Peru. It has been said that this is created by ancient Nazca culture in South America. वो बहुत सारे डिजाइन है लाइक वेरियस प्लांट्स एनिमल्स एंड शेप्स एंड अबाउट 2000 years old. Naka lines can only be fully appreciated if you see from the height because आप देख सकते हो कितने ह्यूज है ये, राइट. ह्यूज डिजाइन है. अगेन देयर इज अ मिस्ट्री कि इतने ह्यूज डिजाइन उन्होंने इतना एक्यूरेटली कैसे बनाया होंगे, राइट. This can be viewed or understood properly what design is there if you go in the helicopter or a plane and then observe from a height. They have been studied for more than 80 years, but still mystery is there to research. Still, they are not able to understand this, why this was drawn. Isn't it awesome? See how wonderful it looks, right? Next, they see this. Ah, what is this? Is this a edited pic? Modified pic? No, no, a modified pic. Is the original pic. लेकिन है क्या ये, कहाँ पे है? Any guesses where is this? बता ही देती हूँ. This is in New Zealand. Break arrow blooders. New Zealand. ये है क्या exactly? Ancient Moravidi legend says loaders are gourds or food containers washed ashore from the wreckage or of a cannon. लाइक वो बोलते हैं कि जो एंसेस्टर्स न्यूजीलैंड में सेटल हुए वो लेके आए थे और उधर छोड़ दिया था. The theory is eggs of aliens. Are they eggs of aliens? What will happen if they are eggs of aliens and what if they hatch? Just imagine the aliens are coming up eggs. Just a theory. Geologists say that they are formed in a sediment on the sea area floor 65 million years ago, eventually Kekoik Beach as their home, choosing it as their home, right? So 65 million years पहले क्या हुआ था? अरे asteroid fall about 5 million years ago. This way, we know that about 75% of the living got extinct. Dinosaurs, right? See event से शायद ये भी form हुआ होगा. This is what it is. Isn't it beautiful? है ना? देखते हैं. This beautiful place, isn't it? क्या है ये? ईस्टर आइलैंड हेड्स चील. चील में है ये प्लेस विच इज ईस्टर्न आइलैंड हेड्स. है क्या एग्जैक्टली? इट वाज द रोपा नोकी पीपल who crafted and erected the 1000 odd stone stands known as Mayo around 900 years, right? 900 years ago ये स्टैचू बना. No one really 40 foot tall, right? 12 meters high tall statues कैसे उन्होंने किए होंगे. एंड एक स्टैचू का वेट इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली tons. Just imagine 14 tons, right, into place. Why they exist? Again, they don't quite exist. 40 feet tall statue which is weighing 14 tons, and why do they exist? इसके पीछे हिस्ट्री क्या होगी, theory क्या होगी, right? The prevalent theory is that the Polynesians walked them berries using stone platforms and place them mark freshwater sources, right? The statue bodies are buried, heads exposed. सिर्फ हेड एक्सपोज बोरी कर चुके. Single stones. Isn't it awesome? Just imagine how talented those people were. This was the 12 mysteries which we have seen. In part 2, we'll be seeing more 8 to 10 mysteries and we'll be speaking more in the next part. I'll be coming up with such more videos and such more series. Mysteries of this mysteries thing will be only 2 episodes, right? Yes, don't forget to see this. As I told you in the starting of the video, the series which is the Unsung Warriors of Bharatvarsh. This is a small video, tells you which warrior will be speaking Sunday. So this Sunday we'll be speaking about Bappa Raval. made the invader back to Iran, right? So I will be understanding more about him. It is a very interesting story. In fact, there is a city named after him in Pakistan. Just imagine a city named after a Rajput in Pakistan. Watch the video on Sunday. Meet you in live chat that time. So we'll discuss more about Bappa Rawal and the city. Okay? Any questions? Please leave the questions in the question section. And as it is, I was available in the live chat to talk. I've tried to address all your queries and questions. Yes, don't forget to subscribe. The plus subscription starts at 1000 rupees for 1 month, 10,000 rupees for 6 months, 15 months, 18,000 rupees, and 18 months at 20,000 rupees. You can see, you can reduce your fees by 10% if you use my code, that is ANOO. Don't forget to use this code so that overall you'll be getting any course you join in and you'll be getting 10% discount. This code ANOO, and please use this code to even unlock any of the content in the Academy Learning app. This is the rate chart for iconic subscription, wherein for 6 months it is 17,000, 15 months it is 32,000, 18 months it is 35,000. But if you use my code, it is going to 31,500, and for 24 months it is 48,000. And if you go for here for the discount, use the code, it will go for 43,000 each. Use the code O to avail the 10% discounts. Don't forget to use the code, right? I hope you enjoyed this and you are waiting for the second episode of this. Coming up in the next session, second episode of this, right? Stay tuned in. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe so that you're getting the uploads. And don't forget to join the Telegram link which is mentioned in the description box. Ta-da! Bye bye. See ya.